Hi everyone, Motoblade here for Vikingbags, and today I'm here to show you my new diamond stitch tool bag. Tool bag is approximately 12 inches wide by about 5 to 6 inches deep and about 4 or 5 inches thick. Plenty of room to hold your tools or some accessories for your motorcycle. There's a small latch in the front with a hole through it that you can put a small padlock on if you wish. To unlock, simply turn and lift it open. Inside, I keep some silicone tape, a flashlight, and a ratchet along with some socket heads in case I need to adjust anything while I'm on the road. The bag is made with genuine leather. They have it in different pattern options. I got the diamond stitch as it matches both my sissy bar pad and my saddleman seat, both in diamond stitch pattern. The bag is rigid with a hard plastic form and is stitched covered with genuine leather. It is very sturdy and very strong. Remove the bag here to show you how it's attached. The back of the bag features hard molded plastic and rubber inserts with military grade webbing and strapping, along with plastic buckles and Velcro. To attach to your bike, simply loop the strap around your fork, feed it through, close the buckle, and then you can fold the webbing back and forth. I did it a little neater on the bike, but you can basically do that to strap it up out of the way with the Velcro. This buckle is very strong. I haven't really pulled on it hard yet, but let's just do a little strength test here. Nope, I can't do that. I don't think there would be any force like that on it while you're riding. So definitely strong enough to hold the bag to your bike. Personally, I prefer having my tool bag mounted on the rear of the bike, and it fits perfectly on the back of my Viking pointed sissy bar. Straps on the same way. I can tuck the straps down behind my passenger pillion, and I think it makes the back end look pretty nice having this situated between the two Viking saddlebags. If you're interested in this tool bag or any of the other saddlebags or sissy bar bags that they offer, visit vikingbags.com to learn more.